everyone, today I'd like to teach you some moves that I find essential to Raqs Sharqi technique. So the first move is what I like to call the psych out. So you're walking one direction, but then you change your mind and psych out. The second move is what I call the fall back. So you step forward on your toes and fall back on your heels, bending your knees. And then the third move is what I like to call over the shoulder sassyness. So you're facing the profile and you hip bump looking over your shoulder. So let's try to put all these moves in a combination. So let's begin with our body facing the corner. So we're gonna walk forward and psych out, forward shimmy step and fall back, pivot, bump, bump, turn to the back, bump, bump, arabesque. Repeat, walk and psych out, forward shimmy step and fall back, pivot, bump, bump, turn to the back, bump, bump, step forward, arabesque. Let's try this all together with music. Well done, everyone. Thanks for watching.